Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today, let's make another solid shampoo bar. You know how I love to make solid shampoo bars because they're so simple, easy to do and very effective, and I just love it. So today we're gonna make this shampoo bar. It will help to detoxify and get rid of all the impurities and oiliness from your hair and head and scalp area. So today it's gonna be a activated charcoal shampoo bar. So let's check our ingredients, okay? So of course we need a solid surfactant ingredients, which is sodium cocoyl isotonate is here. It's natural surfactant. It's 50% of the whole formula. Then I have in here a sodium lauryl cetonate. So this is a natural as well ingredient, okay, natural surfactant. So we're just gonna add them together. Another of our dry ingredient, I'm using it's a Ayurvedic Shikakai Powder. It's very good for your hair. What it does, it helps to get rid of the oiliness and impurities from your scalp. So it's very good. And I'm using 4% of the whole formula. Of course, it will give your hair, you know, more shiny and volume. Okay. So Shikakai powder. If you don't have Shikakai powder, that's no problem. You can use some other powder as well. If you have maybe neem powder or amla powder or even fenugreek powder, check it out. You can easily substitute it. And of course, we're gonna use all this already weighted out ingredients. The whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below. And of course, from the dry ingredients, this is my activated charcoal powder. Okay, and activated charcoal powder, I'm using 1% of the whole formula. So let's put this dry ingredients on the scale. Tear out the scale, and so 1% of the whole formula is 0.8 grams, because I'm making 80-gram shampoo bar. So 0.8. You have to be very careful because it's black, it will stain, so you don't want to get on your clothes. And of course, the charcoal powder, what it does, as you know yourself from to use any of the face masks, it will detoxify your head, scalp, your hair. It is very, very good ingredient for the detoxifying. So let's just slowly mix it all together. It slowly becomes like a gray in color. And what we need to do now, we're just gonna leave it aside for a while. Let's go back now to the ingredients. Another conditioning ingredients I have here. It's only 4% of the whole formula is BTMS 50 and is Cetyl Alcohol, only 2%. What both of these ingredients do, they have the conditioning properties, okay? It's only a couple percent of each, so, and just that they will give this nice silky smooth texture to your hair, okay? So this is 2 of them already here, as you see. Okay, now we're gonna add some oil into this, and I'm gonna put it in my double boiler, and we're just gonna melt it. I have in here Argan Oil. It's a 13% of the whole formula. It's a Argan Oil. Argan Oil, it's very super good for your hair and for your skincare products as well. I love Argan Oil. So what we need to do now, I'm just gonna put this little beaker into my double boiler just to let it melt. Well, so while my conditioning ingredients and oil, it's melting just there, let's add to our ingredients here. Let's add I have in here, this is optional, but it's very good for your hair as well. So I prefer to always add it at least 2-3% to my whole formula. It is hydrolyzed wheat protein, which will help to like kind of stronger your hair, you know, and leave them smooth as well. It's super cool ingredient, and we're using 1.6 gram, only 2% of the formula. Another one as well, which I like to always use it, it's a panthenol, which is a provitamin B5. It's super good, it leaves your hair silky and smooth, and 1.6 gram as well. Great. It's only like for 2% of each. Okay, now let me to add now another ingredient which I have in here is Coco Betaine. It's another surfactant, which is liquid surfactant only, as you see, and it's a 10% of the whole formula, which is 8 grams. Okay, so before I add my essential oil, which I'm gonna use my favorite Ylang Ylang essential oil, which is super cool in smell and super good for your hair, and before I add a preservative, let's wait till the other ingredients is gonna melt it out. Add them first, mix it truly, and then we're just gonna add those. Well, my ingredients just melted, so let's just pour the wet ingredients into the dry and mix it slowly. Okay, so let's put our, as you see, do you see the sun shining, the weather is sweet, look, you see? So let's put on the scales now and add 1% of Ylang Ylang, 0.8%, 0.8 of Ylang Ylang essential oil, and then add the same 0.8 grams of our preservative. Okay, it's new bottle opening slowly. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now this aside, and let's mix it very well. Okay, perfect. I like to play with it. Some people just putting this in the silicone molds, you know, but I prefer to make it with my hands. So what we need, just need some gloves, and let's play. Just gonna play and make some shape. What shape? Round shape. And while I'm playing, I will be mixing it very careful and very well till all ingredients are mixed up truly. I love the smell of Ylang Ylang. Oh my goodness, 1% of Ylang Ylang in the formula. Smells gorgeous. I really like to get messy and dirty and maybe I should go to some pottery, you know, course or something to work with the clay. I love it. Something to think about it. Okay, I really got messy here. It's good that you cannot see it. Okay. As you see, it's super black, and I used only 1% of the activated charcoal. And all ingredients, it's really mixed in properly, very well. Okay, so now just, you know, just gonna make some round circle or something, and that's it. If you want, you still, it's pretty like, it's still pretty soft. If you would like, you can still put in your favorite like silicone mold shape or something. I don't want to, I like this pretty simple. Just gonna make a little simple, as you see, round this kind of, and that's it. And I'm gonna put aside and to leave it to dry out. It depends of the humidity, you know, in your place, how humid it is, and the weather outside and everything. So, well, where I am now at the moment, so maybe it will take 2 days or something. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little video on it after a couple days. So I see you in 2-3 days. Well guys, so I have my shampoo here. It's been few days and it's pretty solid and I love the smell. I hope you're gonna try this charcoal solid shampoo bar and let me know in the comment section below how it is. And as you see behind my back, I'm moving out. It's time for new beginnings and I see you soon. Bye.